Jessica, and I'm going to show you an experiment about the floating egg. First, I have 2 cups of water, the same height,
same amount,
salt and a spoon, and 2 eggs.
Are those boiled eggs?
No, they were refrigerator eggs, but not boiled. First, I put 1 egg into the water.
Is that a plain cup of water?
It is a plain cup of water, so the egg sinks. The egg sinks into the cup of water.
Okay, so it does not float. It sinks. Okay.
I already added a cup of salt, 5 spoons. So the other egg is going to float in the salt.
Well, we're going to see what happens.
We're going to see what happens to the other egg. So the egg is floating, except for sinking like the other egg did.
Okay, let's see the other egg side by side. Oh, so this is the plain cup of water, and the egg is sinking. The egg has sunk to the bottom, and this is the cup with salt water, and the egg has floated to the top, or it stays at the top. Can you explain to me what's happening?
That when this is just plain cup of water, so it's not gonna float because all the water molecules are big, and then when I add the salt in this water, all the particles of dissolving salt makes
Well, what happens? The particles of the dissolved salt are what? Fitting where?
Fitting right between the water molecules.
Right. The dissolved salt fits right in between the molecules of the water, making the water what?
Smaller.
No. What's that vocabulary word?
Dissolve.
Dense.
Dense.
Right? It makes the water stronger, right? Makes it a little bit more dense, and so what's happening?
Is and then the egg is dissolving.
The egg isn't dissolving. The salt has dissolved, remember?
Yes. And then I added salt in here. And then I had to stir it. So the salt is getting really small.
Right. The salt has dissolved into tiny particles that we can't see, right?
Yeah.
And it didn't disappear. It's still in the water. It just is in between the water molecules, right?
Yes.
And so the water molecules are fitted together with the dissolved salt, right? They become one. They're kind of fitted like in between each other, and the salt is helping the water molecules become stronger, right, or more dense.
And then when the salt disappears, it doesn't actually disappear. When it gets smaller, the water gets clear.
Yes, it does.
It's almost clearer than the other one. They're different clears. So when I put the other egg in, this egg floats. So this one doesn't have water and salt. This one does.
Okay, so the salt molecules are helping, the salt particles are helping the water molecules to hold up the egg, right?
Yes,
Very good. Good job.